Alright, hey, what's up everybody? It's Matt with M32 Outdoors. Just setting the Tidewe's up this weekend, getting ready for a firearm deer season here in Michigan, which is 8 days from now. November 15th and 2025 is next Saturday. So not too often it starts on a Saturday, so I would imagine it'd be pretty busy. But this is one thing that every hunter wants to see in their deer woods. That's a giant scrape. That's probably, I don't know, 2.5 feet by 2 feet. It's pretty big. That doesn't mean it's a big buck. That just means he's aggressive in making his mark. Alright, as you can see, pretty easy to set up. Doesn't take much. Absolutely love the Tidewe. If you haven't seen what the inside looks like, I'll show you inside next. Alright, I think these are pretty sweet. They're easy to set up. They're sturdy as all get out. If you haven't watched the video from last winter where this was caved in, I had well over a foot of snow on top of here and these didn't rip, click this link right here. It'll take you to that video of me literally unburying this Tidewe. Alright, time to go set up my wife's. I went ahead and just quickly got Chris's stand set up, or her Tidewe I should say. Oh, those blinds are amazing. I love the fact that they're see-through and it lets light in, so it doesn't feel like you're in a cave in the daylight, as most other pop-ups make you feel. Just saw a doe, heard that really cool owl, and I kicked up a grouse that was up in a tree. I heard it, never saw that, but it's kind of wet out, and we're going to call this a short video today. So thanks for following along. This is Matt with M32 Outdoors, where trees, wildlife, outdoorsmen, and in this case, Tidewe pop-up blinds meet. See you on the next one.